Hey guys, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram account in less than few minutes. So first, I open Instagram. Then you need to click on this three dot menu. Again, click on Account Center. I highlight Account Center. Then scroll down. Then click on Personal Details. Again, just click on Account Ownership and Control. Then you can see deactivation or deletion. Just click on here. Then if you have a multiple account, just select which account you want to delete. Just I select this one. Then if you want to deactivate your account and delete your account, so I select delete my account. Then click on continue. Then you need to select why you are delete your account. So I just select just need a break. You can select any others, this doesn't matter. Then click on continue. Then yes, deactivate straight, just click on here. Wow, now you need to write your password, so I write my password. Then if I click on deactive account, my account are automatically delete from Instagram. So this is a method how you can delete your Instagram account less than few minutes. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Bye.